Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing another haul for you guys. Obviously it is the Sephora sale that's going on right now. I did have a previous video talking about the sale and what I wanted to purchase. Y'all, I did not get the Ginger Biscuit Cologne by Jo Malone, and I'm so upset. I don't know what happened. Well, okay, here's what happened. I fell asleep and my cart wasn't carting. I didn't have everything ready to go. This is the first time in a long time that I did not have everything ready to go. So yeah, it was just a big slip up on my part. I did not get the cologne, but I signed up for the notifications, which are kind of crappy because all they do was text you periodically and say, hey, you signed up for the notifications. And it's like, I know I signed up for the notifications. I did that. So yeah, I'm waiting to see if one of the colognes will come back in stock, and then, I'll purchase it. But until then, we're good with what we have. So if you guys want to see, I got this, have a really, really huge box right here. This is my Sephora box, and I'm going to talk about everything that I got. What's crazy is I have another box on the way because I was like, yeah, I need to buy some other stuff, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got in my first Sephora round. And I feel like maybe I'll do another round, but then again I'm like, oh, y'all probably gonna be tired of me hauling stuff, or will y'all need to let me know. Until then, let me empty this big old box. As usual, I just put everything in some type of order. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with skin first. And because some of you guys are not new to my channel, I'm gonna go through the products that are repurchases for my skin. So the first one being my grape water. I love this product so freaking much. I'm gonna try to get it to focus here. This is the Caudel grape water. It says it soothes, moisturizes, and has antioxidants. It's for sensitive skin, and every time I spray this on my face, it just feels so fresh. I feel refreshed. I love to do this as like a finisher on my skin routine, and I ran out. Well, like, I feel like I still have some, but I feel like it's like, and I'm like trying to spray my face, trying to get the last little bit out. So that is why I re-upped on this. And then for my next product, I got the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. This has become like a fave of mine. I was using the Kylie Jenner vanilla toner, and it wasn't bad. I just wasn't like amazed by it. And this, y'all, this toner I'm also almost out of. So I was like, yes, we're gonna go ahead and post it. Look at this bottle. I love it. This is such a cute little bottle. This alone would make me purchase it. I think that's why I did purchase it. But I'm staying around obviously because I love the product. So just a little bit about this one. Let's see, it says it's packed with vitamin C and E. This antioxidant rich fruit fermented in this toner for enhanced absorption into skin, brightens while providing deep hydration. So hydrating. This is like one of the most hydrating toners that I've had since I think it was the green tea one, and I can't remember if it was by Herbivore or not, but that was the jam. But I think that someone posted that on TikTok and then it freaking went viral. I don't know what happened. Like, I've never been able to get my hands on that toner ever since. So that's really why I tried this one after the Kylie Jenner one. And it also says it has CoQ10, which is also known as the coenzyme Q10. It's a powerful antioxidant, strengthens skin while helping to boost the effectiveness of other clean ingredients. It has fermented rice water, oat, and collagen amino acids. So this I highly recommend. Highly recommend. Next up, I picked up one of the Fenty Beauty moisturizers. I've used one of their moisturizers before. I think it's like the cinnamon one. So I want to go ahead and smell this one. I don't know if this one even has a smell, but this is what she looks like. And by the way, if you watched my last haul, it smells so good. Here's what it looks like. Very creamy. if you watched my last haul, I did buy the Fenty Beauty, just like the regular lotion. It doesn't have a scent. It's unscented to my knowledge because I don't smell anything. But yeah, if you watched that last haul, I used it and I freaking love the way it feels on the skin. It's just that my skin, like on my hands and like my body, is so dry. I have to have a thick cream on my body, and so I feel like my skin soaks it up just too much, so I won't be repurchasing that, even though I do like it. I like the way it first looks on my skin, but then like I said, I feel like my skin just sucks the lotion up, and then yeah, like I'm kind of dry again. So if you don't really have dry skin like me, I would say go ahead and try it because it does make the skin soft, but just not as long as I need it to. And I just feel like I get dry right after it. So that's my 2 cents. I cannot wait to try this one. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and give her a try just a little bit. I need to see what what is that smell? Because I don't know what it is, but yeah, this is more up my alley. I love a good cream. So like I said, I have the other cream which smells like more cinnamon, but this one has like almost like a vanilla smell or something. Okay, so maybe not vanilla, but it's actually described as a toasted marshmallow, which is still kind of giving fall winter to me. So I like it so far. I need to figure out how it's going to do with my body chemistry though. So that's another thing. And then I decided to try another skincare product. I'm actually gonna go back into the Sephora app for this one as well, just because I want to make sure that I'm really getting the descriptions right. Okay, so I picked up the Vanilla Vibes Whipped Argan Oil Refillable Firming Body Butter Jar. And you guys, you know the time has changed, so it's getting a little bit dark. I'm gonna try to wrap this up, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys. It came in a box like this. All right, here's the packaging. I really love this jar. I'm hoping that it is a thick cream. Like I said, is it Josie Moran, the original whipped argan oil butter, whipped argan oil body butter. So go ahead and smell. Ooh, this is very like scented, but this is what the cream is looking like. So this looks like it's a little bit less thick than the Fenty Skin one. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my other hand because I really want to see how it's. Oh, it feels good. It feels good on the hand. That really went in the skin really quickly. So yeah, I will be letting you guys know how this brand is as well. And to go with that, I think I got a body oil. So it's the Josie Moran, the original pure organic 100% argan oil. Comes in this little bottle right here. And let's see. It basically says to use warm 45 drops in hands and press into skin, hair, or anywhere really. So what you saying on here? Oh, I got a mini size if you're wondering why it's so small, because I just wanted to try it because this stuff gets really expensive. But yeah, it's supposed to smooth wrinkles, nourish dry skin, and fortify skin's moisture barrier. And it says it's really for dryness, loss of firmness, and elasticity. So I can't wait to put this on the body. So quickly, I'm going to talk about my 2 hair products. So I wanted to try the Fenty hair products. And so this first one is Fenty hair, and then this one is the jelly type holding gel. Okay, so this one is to style your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It has a little cap on it. Ooh. Ooh, this has a strong scent, y'all. If you don't like strong scents, you might not like this. But ooh, it's very jelly, like it will fall out of the jar, but it's not too jelly, but that's what it looks up close. That's what it looks like up close, and actually some did spill out, so let me just scoop that back in, because if this stuff is the go, then every little drop matters. So I can't wait to try. Can't wait to try that out. I'm definitely gonna. Oh, I could try it out tomorrow when I do my hair. But I want to try it on clean hair. I like to try stuff like that on clean hair. And then I got a mini of the Home Curl Defining Cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Let's see, does it smell the same? It smells a little bit different. That's what the cream looks like. This one also looks like it will fall out the jar, so I'm gonna be really careful with that. I don't know, maybe I'll try it tomorrow or something like that, but I need to wash my hair first. So yeah, that was skin, hair. Let's start with some makeup now. So I got this Makeup Forever HD Skin Face Essentials palette. So I'm gonna open up. I think this is the palette that I really wanted for a long time, but this thing was $88 freaking dollars. So I have been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for a sale to buy this, just because sometimes I just can't bite the bullet, okay? Sometimes I cannot. So this is a one side. Obviously I got the one that was, you know, supposed to be more melon friendly. So let's open her up. Ooh, all the creams. So we got some good blushes. This can be concealer. This can be contour. All of the above. So this looks a bit, and depending on if I could find my shade in here, maybe even a little foundation, but I'm not sure. I'm definitely gonna have to read up about this and see if there are any videos online of people using this, because I don't think I've seen any. Let's see what they're saying in the app. It says an easy to use cream palette with multi-use shades that can be mixed to create a custom foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, blush, or highlighter. So exactly what I thought, kind of similar to what I said. So yeah, that is that. And then I think this is a lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. It says the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. What? Oh, it's Pillow Talk Deep. Okay, so let's take that one out, and this is what the pencil is looking like. Put it right here. Y'all, this is so... So the sale isn't over. I don't know if I should buy another one of these. So what I might do is wear this to work tomorrow, see if I really like it or not, because this just glided on my skin. I don't know if it was the moisturizer that made it glide like that or what, but this just glided on my skin, and I am so impressed, because I feel like more often than not, lip liners have become so freaking dry, and I don't like it. I absolutely do not like that. So next up, this is something this is something so old, and oh my goodness, I wanted it. It's like I just wanted it. So yeah, I bought it, and it is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Groundwork Defining Neutrals palette for eyes, brows, face, and lips. Okay, that was a mouthful. So this is the neutral palette. I didn't know it was so big. Oh my gosh, this box is big. Let me see if the palette, yes, oh my gosh. Yes. Look, you guys, I finally got this palette, and I'm so excited to use it. I cannot wait to try this palette out. It comes with a freaking mirror. You guys know I love a palette with a mirror, because I just feel like that should be necessary. These palettes cost so much. Palettes cost so much. Put a freaking mirror in your palettes. You guys are wanting us to buy these palettes, spend all this money on it, $50, $60, $80 for a palette. You can put a mirror in there, okay? So, and then last but not least, I have another palette, and this is the Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette. You guys, I think this eyeshadow palette is out of stock. So if you didn't get it, I'm sorry. Hopefully it comes back in stock before the sale is over. But yeah, from my knowledge right now, it's out of stock. So, oh, I should have looked at it first. It's so pretty. Y'all look at that. I love every bit of that. It's so stinking cute. And would you look at that? A freaking mirror. That's what I am talking about. You guys, this is so pretty. Okay, you guys, I just want y'all to look up close. Kind of take a look right there. Y'all see all the palettes. I mean, y'all see all the colors, the shades. It's very cute. This is very cool tone, and I really want to do a makeup look because you guys haven't done a makeup look in so long. I'm actually trying to get active on TikTok because I feel like I'm scared that I'm not really growing that well on YouTube. So maybe just don't put all my eggs in one basket. So yeah, you guys can definitely follow me on TikTok. Kelly Thomas, and the O is an X in Thomas. You guys should be able to find me. But yeah. So you guys, that was all. Let me see what's in my next order that should be coming, because that will determine whether or not I'll do another haul or not. Let's see. Okay, so that was one thing. And then, oh, it looks like it already shipped. I mean, it's big enough to do a haul, but like, I can understand if y'all are like tired of seeing makeup hauls. So, yeah, I don't know which one I'll do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Um, I need to get back to consistently filming for you all because I don't know, I'm just having a hard time coming up with just really good ideas. And not sure if I'm gonna keep vlogging or not. I like vlogging, but then I'm like, I don't really see the growth or the benefit to my channel in vlogging. So yeah, I'm just being transparent with you guys. But with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Bye, you guys.